and welcome to our meteorology segment. If the voice seems like it's out of sync, it's because I had to record the video separately. So let's get to it. Stop being spaced out for a minute here and be earthed out and look at things like weather. So first thing we're looking at here is the surface wind scenario for the eastern side of the planet. We've got some strong cyclonic systems here south of Japan, as well as west of New Zealand, and in the Bering Sea, a low pressure system. Here are the jet streams for the eastern side of planet Earth. We've got some backward jet stream over the Indian Ocean. Over on the west side, we've got backward circulation over the Atlantic Ocean and the eastern Pacific, as well as meridional jet stream flow here in the North Atlantic. So some oddities going on there in the Western Hemisphere's jet stream, to say the least. 180-degree bends there over the North Atlantic and a backward jet stream over the Atlantic Ocean, all the way across South America and indeed the Pacific, predominantly blowing east to west in those regions. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit up, please click on it. Down here, we've got some major flooding going on in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. The Gulf Coast continuing its bad times. We hope things return to normal soon for you there. Please keep the Gulf Coast in your prayers, viewers. Here is our lightning map. We've got lightning stretching all the way from Texas to Maine. Not real concentrated, though. Here's a real-time lightning map, and we've got some lightning south of the Great Lakes here in the U.S., as well as one errant lightning bolt close to the a county border there in Maine. It's a bit of a desolate location there, and if you've ever gone vacationing in Maine, it is just a delight. We've got systems here moving into the Midwest, south of St. Louis. That's lightningmaps.gov. Not lightningmaps.gov, lightningmaps.org. I apologize. Next, we're going to look at pressure maps here on Windy, windy.com. You can see that low just hovering there over Louisiana, less than optimal. Massive amounts of water evaporating right in that region as well, as there's some jet stream activity there. Here we've got some low pressure to the west of Australia and some high pressure to the east of Australia, and some low pressure in between Australia and New Zealand there. That's a pretty powerful system, especially considering the gradients around it. Canada, still covered by low pressure, and low pressure dominating the Bering Sea. I don't know why I can't talk today. Probably because I'm not recording this video the normal way. Also, some powerful high pressure here around the South African anomaly. If you're wondering where we're located, it's right there in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. And let's move on here. This is the pressure forecast for pressure at, that was the pressure forecast in the European model for 1 p.m. That's Eastern Daylight Time. By the way, if you only view the videos on BitChute, please go view on YouTube or support the channel via purchasing merch, or maybe by becoming a member of the smAsh team. It's highly recommended. Also, if you only view someplace besides BitChute, you've certainly missed one of our videos, a BitChute exclusive, titled Never Forget to Demand Accountability. If you haven't seen that one yet, well, I guess you're missing out. I don't know what to tell you. BitChute.com/smashamash. Thanks to our subscribers over there. And again, smAsh team is spectacular, folks. We became alt tech in 2019 when we realized the writing on the wall in 2018. And that's why we created smashomash.com. It's spectacular. Now, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch, which saw a silent video. We had to record the audio separately. So this one's an exclusive to BitChute and YouTube. This one did not appear on Twitch the way it normally does. Here at the smAsh News Network, least busted name in news, We encourage you to follow us on all the different platforms because we use them all for different purposes. Most of the content is on YouTube, though, at youtube.com/smAshomash. Twitch is the top streaming platform. And today we're putting the astronomy picture of the day. This is the hurricane tracks for 1985 to 2005. The tropical system tracks for that 20-year period of time. And I don't know why they're showing such old data here, but there you go. That's the astronomy picture of the day. Today showing up on the meteorology segment instead of on the daily space weather. Anyway, continuing on, here's the Nexrad. And there's a tropical system right behind my head here. The Nexrad showing basic water vapor. And you can see this string of storms here making it all the way up to about to hit the Gulf of St. Lawrence there and stretching all the way down into Texas. A little bit of northern Texas showers happening there. And that rain from Oklahoma City is going to start to move more to the east, I think. Anyway, here's your cloud layer. Here's your water vapor map. And the great thing about that is that it shows clouds not even evaporated. I mean, water vapor. It shows you water vapor not even condensed onto clouds. That's what I meant to say. All right. So we got a high pressure over here and a high pressure over here. We've got this channel of moisture here. It's an atmospheric creek. And there's the jet stream influence. Here's your recap. There's the U.S. Doppler radar map. Here's the cloud layer. When it's too dark to see clouds, we use a 3.9 nanometer radiation map on the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. And here is the water vapor. Should give you the best insight. You can see that evaporation there happening right over Mississippi and Louisiana, as well as behind my head here. Thanks for tuning in. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAshomash, signing off from the smAsh News Network. Least busted name in news.